let's talk about your activities. If you could remind folks about Greater Gift and what you guys are up to.
Well, so thank you for asking. So Greater Gift now has hit our 12-year mark. So we were first established 12 years ago. Coming away from 2022, it's really exciting, very gratifying. And by gratifying, I'm going to say also a lot of gratitude, because there have been so many industry and community leaders that have been so supportive of Greater Gift over the years. And as a result, we are now nearing 150,000 people who have been thanked and celebrated through Greater Gift, which translates to 150,000 people who have received the benefit of a donated meal on behalf of a clinical trial contributor, a kid who has received a backpack that has helped address food insecurity over the weekend as the direct result of a clinical trial contributor. We have, tens of thousands of patients around the world who have received a vaccine, and I'm not talking about a COVID vaccine. I'm talking about like a pentavalent vaccine through our partnership with Gavi. And in addition, and I'm going to say, I think one of the really big advances for Greater Gift in 2022, and as we are heading into 2023, two additional areas that we're really building out. And so Greater Gift now is building the capabilities, building the team, building the partnerships around community activation, so that we are actually going into communities and doing education about conditions and diseases, in some cases, in advance of important clinical trial work that will be coming to and be accessible to those patient populations. So building those community bridges around education and awareness and connectivity to clinical trial avenues for patients, that's an area of focus. The other area of focus has been around scholarship. So we now have, I'm going to say probably about 15 students that their educational career and focus around building a clinical research career has now been financially supported by Greater Gift and through our very, very generous donors. So we're now also really leaning into celebrating and supporting the workforce.
Oh, fantastic. You are one of the positive forces of good out there, you and Greater Gift, what you're doing. I want to thank you so much, for what you're doing, also for the time you've given us today with the updates on your activities. It's very inspiring. Thank you again so much. It's always good to be around you and hear what you're up to.
Thanks so much, Michael.